of Investigation, or BION, warned anew the public and the foreigners in the country against scammers on social media who pretend to be connected with the agency and offer fake immigration services. Even the logo of the Bureau are being used by perpetrators to victimize foreign nationals.
What precautions can one take to steer clear of visa scams while navigating the visa process in the Philippines? Let's find out.
Hi, this is JR, your visa consultant here in the Philippines, and we would like to talk some latest updates about the Philippines. Now, who are allowed to process on your SRRB application or retirement visa application? First things first, let's go on to the details. There was an advisory from the Philippine Retirement Authority issued January 16, 2024, and it states, and I quote, "We would like to officially notify the public that unscrupulous individuals continue to offer assistance in processing the Special Residence Retirees Visa and other retiree post-enrollment services. Please don't be trapped in the fraudulent activities. Conduct all your business transactions exclusively with the accredited PRA offices listed below. PRA Main Office in Makati, PRA Clark Subic Satellite Office, PRA Baguio Satellite Office, PRA Cebu Satellite Office, and PRA Davao Satellite Office. You may also ask help from our accredited marketers, in which JRC Visa Consultancy is one of the accredited marketers for over years now. You may seek help from our PRA accredited marketers, which is listed on their website as well. They also mention that PRA will not be held liable for any fake, counterfeit visas, IDs, or other PRA-related documents. If in doubt, verify the authenticity of your documents through our authorized channels. As the PRA takes measures to strengthen our services, we assure you of our commitment to integrity, transparency, and the utmost dedication to your safety and satisfaction. Signed, General Manager and CEO Cynthia Labdameo Carion. What will be the basis of this advisory? Sadly, there may be people right now offering assistance to our foreign retiree applicant for them to provide help in obtaining or completing the paperwork and eventually submitting that to the retirement office. What's worse is the advisory states that there may be possibility that there are counterfeit IDs and other PRA-related documents. For you to have an assurance for that, that is why the Philippine Retirement Authority have done some accreditation with firms right now all over the Philippines for them to assure that this particular firm will maintain the highest standards in terms of assisting our retiree applicants for them to obtain and eventually approve the retirement visa. Now, who are those accredited firms? You can actually check on their website, and we are one of the accredited firms of the Philippine Retirement Authority situated, and our main office is in Cebu, JRC Visa Consultancy and Immigration Services. We do also have an office in Manila and Dumaguete. We've been an accredited firm or visa agency by the retirement office, and gladly we would like to thank also our clients who have trusted us over the years, as the Philippine Retirement Authority have recognized us to be one of their top marketers. We make sure that our accreditation is being renewed every year because it is required by the Philippine Retirement Authority to give assurance to our clients that we are adhering the standard and the level of quality that the retirement office has been set for. Should you need any of our assistance, please don't be scammed. Call us. If you're actually in doubt with the documents that you have right now, we are here to help you out and to assist you obtaining we're here to help you out to obtain and eventually have your visa approved with the Bureau of Immigration for your Special Residence Retirees Visa. So if you do have some questions in mind, please reach us out and we'll actually get back to you as soon as that we can. It's possible. This has been JR, and we'll be seeing you on our next episode. Thank you and hope to see you soon. But before you do that, please do like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified with our latest videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.